Hey guys, what's happening? I thought I'd just do a quick tutorial on the Forscan program, which is that one right there. Obviously, you need a Tactrix cable and a laptop. First thing you do, click on it. Alright, and then you click that one there, connect. It'll ask you about this and that. Just click yes. As soon as it says ready, that means you can choose between any of these options in the side menu. So once you've done all that, click onto the squiggly line, bang, and then you'll have the control option. Obviously I haven't set that up, but what I'll do, I'll go to set up all gauges, alright, which is that one there. I'll show you again. Set up all gauges, click on it. Go to the top here. You don't want to read it, you want to control it. Okay, see that? I've already set up the APV SSV. Alright, I'll show you how to do it again. I'm just going to remove it. Yes, alright. So, now, APV. Click on it, bang, and then click the arrow over here. Alright, so you're going to put it on that column. Same with the SSV. Click on it, there. So you got APV SSV. Now, because I've edited this ECU with Mazda Edit, I will not be able to test this. It won't give me access. But with an OEM ECU, you'll be able to do it. So click, tick that there. All right. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click Control. All right, and that'll come up. Then you click play, and see that? That's gone black now. Now, to test them, just click open, close. Now, I can't hear mine clicking, but you should be able to hear yours clicking if you've got an OEM ECU. On, off. That's how you test them. Let's just say, for instance, you want to do... Wait a sec, we'll press stop. Alright. Let's just say you want to do... See, it goes back to read again. You don't want that. You want control. All these things here, you can control. Alright? Everything there. Now, let's just say you want fan. Alright. Make sure that's on control. Click it over. Fan control 2. Same thing. Click it over. Press the tick button. Start live data. Now you can control it. I can't turn mine on and off, like I said, because I don't have an OEM ECU. But if you've got an OEM untouched, untuned ECU, you can turn your fans on and off. Another example. We'll stop it. We'll go back to set up gauges. This is where a lot of people come unstuck. This thing has to be to control, not to read. Alright? Make sure it's on control. Let's say, for instance, you want to test your fuel pump. You want to test your intake air shutter valve. Now that would be for the, if you've got a standard intake. You want to test your metering oil pump position. Alright? Click on that. Bang. Make sure you click it over onto that. And then you tick the button. This thing is crucial. Start live data. Without that, you got nothing. Bang. That's my live data at the moment because the car's not running. Now, I want to control those things. See? Now, if you go down here, I've just selected the... I'll just get on there with the mouse. See that? All metering pump position. I can test all that. Alright? So there's a whole heap of things you can do with this. Also, We'll press stop again. This is not only for the PCM, this is for the ABS as well. Alright, so what do we want to do? This is what we can read. See if we can control anything with the ABS. Yes, you can control all that. So if you want to test all that, you can test all that as well. So it's not only on the PCM, it's on the ABS module and anything else that's on this list. Remoteless key entry, OBD2, oh, a whole heap of stuff. It's an awesome program. That was just a little bit of a tutorial. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. I hope it's been useful. We'll get out of that. But remember, yeah, you got to muck around with it. You're not going to damage anything. Just don't be scared. Just make sure you got a good cable, good battery life on your laptop, and decent battery life on your car, or put a charger or a stabilizer on there. I hope that helps anyway. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you on the next one.